Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload images on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So first of all, open Discord on your PC. After you have opened Discord, now you can go ahead and open any channel and go into a server. Then you can see the plus icon over here. You can see upload a file. Go ahead and tap on it. And after you go to the file, you can go to the image folder and select an image. After you do so, you can click enter and you can scroll a bit down and the image will be uploaded, and you can see that it will be loaded over here. Now you can go ahead and download the image, or people can download the image from here by clicking on save image, or if you want to delete it, or you can want to add a reaction over here. There are some reactions there as well. So I'm going to teach it to you once again. Open Discord and you can send direct messages to people as well, or you can open a server, go into a channel and click on this plus icon over here. Then click on upload a file. Go ahead and select a photo you want to upload. After you have selected the photo, you can see that there is a spoiler attachment over here. You can click this as well, and the people will need to click on the spoiler in order for them to watch this. So you can see that the spoiler is visible over here. You can also modify the attachment. You can change the file name, the description, click on mark as spoiler here as well and click save. Then you can click enter and the photo will be sent. And you can see the spoiler attachment is shown over here as well. So guys, this is how you upload an image on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.